So what do you think? Let's go look at it.
See it. I'm gonna walk over and check it out.
All right.
It's a tricky one.
Yeah.
I think it's doable though.
I'm thinking, man, you get in.
Yeah, I guess what I'm getting at is I think I'm gonna try and run it first try.
Okay.
Yeah.
You go blast it.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to stand up here or somewhere.
I'm
like
trying to
that.
be somewhere I could help if
Yeah.
things got bad, but it's so tight.
Yeah. I think I'll be okay. I mean,
I think I might, if you can, yeah, if you can kind of just, as long as you don't, if you fall into that, you can be in the trees,
Yeah.
and I'll run down and help.
Yeah.
But
Maybe if you want to get by that tree straight ahead.
I'm gonna stay over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
That way I can run. I'll be able to run down and get to you. I can jump out and grab you from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nicely done.
Yeah. Let me
Go ahead.
find a spot to put my bike and I'll
Yeah.
come spot you.
There she is. Killer, man.